We're gonna try and do some fishing today.
Yeah.
They call it. Maybe bed fishing. It's a little dirty for bed fishing, but we know that they're up, so figured might as well. We're only gonna be out here for a few hours.
Short day.
No prior obligations, plus the masters and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff. There's stuff going on.
If they're fishing.
I don't think they're gonna be fishing. If they're golfing, casting the old golf club around.
Yeah.
You see, that's a thing. Like, you can get both hooks on the. Oh,
yeah, that's good.
Come with us.
Let's have some fun and stuff.
Fun and or something.
You know what I'm starting with?
Yeah, I know.
Top water.
Fucking jackfuck.
Like I want to see light spots.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'm seeing light spots, but I'm
That's a rock.
not sure I am.
I saw that one too.
Oh, I got one. I did. That was a bed. No shit.
There's the old male. Good sized male too.
Bro, that's fucking okay. I forgot I gotta go MLF.
So you just flip him.
Nah, this is better. It's better when you do this.
Is it?
You're like, come on, baby.
A little Scooby-Doopy?
Don't come off. Don't come off. Get over here. Get over here. Got it.
Got it.
And then you do this. Okay.
Yeah. A good little male there.
He is warm.
Is he?
Yes.
What? Where are you going?
Feel how warm he is. That's crazy.
Oh yeah. It's hot to trot, son. Meanwhile, I'm here. Don't know what I'm doing.
Just doing the Lord's work.
Yeah. Ow! God.
All right.
Sure didn't take him very long.
No. I can't believe that. I'm happy that that was a bed.
Oh, it came out and then it got stuck back again. What?
Another one.
Look at this guy.
Right on the lumber too.
Yeah, well, funny enough, I'm on the lumber.
Yeah.
We're gonna lose this one.
Real fucking brute too.
Yeah.
I mean,
I have a feeling if we're gonna see beds, they're gonna be tucked back there because this is kind of still windblown at some points of the day.
yeah, not good. Got one.
Well,
Little spot.
going around the world tour, bud. Here we come. Hello. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the boat. My name is Cody. This is Paul. We're ditch panda bass fishing. We're glad you could join us today. Please keep your hands and fins.
Let's see that.
Tooth patch? Not a one.
Not one goddamn tooth patch. Okay. Next.
Please keep your fins and dorsal and other stuff and spots inside the boat. And we'll see you later. Not a tooth patch. I don't understand. I don't understand.
There's zero chance that wasn't a spot.
Yeah.
You know?
You're right. That's good. Means it doesn't get beat up quite as much. What'd you do? Hook some leaves? Again? Called it a leaf magnet, not a chick magnet. I mean, that was for sure a bite, I think, because it came right after I paused it. Probably on a bed or something. There's one.
This one?
Yeah. He's only got a hook. But we don't care.
Nice.
Oh, you had two.
This freaking. I'm gonna take a picture. Probably.
Yeah, I probably should do that. A little bit better one. It might be close to a 1 3/4 pounds, maybe pound. Appreciate your time, buddy. That's what's going on.
Yeah, that is a fish. It's like, what the hell, man? Oh, look at all of them with it. Are you kidding me? Look at this.
Oh, that's a bigger fish. Bro. She's still there?
There's 2 of them there.
Oh, sorry, bud.
Look. Look at her.
Are you using that fish as bait?
That was unreal.
That was very weird.
There was 2 with him.
Very weird. I mean, I'm not sure I've seen something like that before. I mean, they were just like, she was like, "Are you okay, man?"
Dude, you should really get. I mean, we.
I gotta get a wacky rig.
Yeah, you gotta get a wacky rig, because that was unbelievable. I mean, that was so freaking cool. Top dead center.
Just getting it done.
Oh, there's one.
Nice.
Wow. I got to see him. He came right out. Man, I would throw in there, dude. Like,
where were you at?
Right in. You see that little?
Yeah.
Just come back towards us. Right. Yeah. God damn.
Oh, there's the female.
Yeah.
Yep. What are you hooked on? Got him.
He just couldn't handle it. Laying on his damn bed. Way bigger than I thought.
Yeah, me too.
Whoa.
Where's your girlfriend?
Dude. What a trip. Dude, I let him have it.
Yeah.
Like I let him hold it.
Yeah. That's a good move.
Till I almost couldn't see it. Thanks, buddy. I should have really taken a picture of it.
Cold. It's wet. We're going home. We're gonna go watch golf. Caught a few fish today. Paul fucking slayed them. Paul slayed them on the beds. A couple on a square bill. Kind of this cold snap, I think, kind of got them shut down. When I was here 2 days ago, it was creeping on 70. We got here this morning, we saw 59 in some spots. So had a fun day though. Fun little half day. Got on some bedfish, that's always a great time. Couple crankbait fish, what can you ask for, you know?
Yeah, I mean, it was fun, man.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, yeah. Pretty hungry too, so
Yeah.
look, big guys gotta eat, right? Next time.
See you next time.
We're out. See you next time. Mine's all fuckered up too.
So no?
Definitely not right! Oh, that was hilarious. So, no?